is about how you influence uke's body through the twisting control of uke's arm structure. Sankyo stands as an alternative way to control uke if other approaches like ikkyo become inappropriate. As an exercise, position uke's elbow in the top position and try to maintain it in the vertical position using only the forehand grip. Examine the angle between your forearms to increase the efficiency of the forehand control. Explore the positioning of the wrist lock. Learn to develop the appropriate mindset and body structure application skills to increase your technical efficiency. Consider these movement concepts as the developing exercises targeted at your Sankyo perfection. Substitute your assumptions with tested details of Sankyo technique within your training. Be patient to follow the instructions. Remember that your perception of danger does not liberate you from following all the principles of Aikido. Only thus following of the Aikido values reassure the efficiency of your reactions and applicability of your techniques.